Raise Japanese 101, Lesson 3, U. U is the third syllable and the third vowel, and here are the orders to write them. Before I go on to talk about U, I want to go back to I for a while. I should apologize. If I was to give 6 examples, I should have chosen another meaning than I. I has more than few meanings. I chose the most useful ones you should know. But for I should have chosen I over I because I is used more often in daily conversations. I means the base point of a range. Easier to understand with an example. 以上 means more than or equal to, with 上 meaning above. Anything measurable, numbers higher or equal to are all 以上. Note that い includes itself. So, more than or equal to 3 would be 3以上. And more than 3 is 3より上. Let's move to う. う means right as the opposite of left, though not an independent word. As an independent word, same kanji reads 右. 右折 means turn right, with 折 meaning fold. So, 右折 literally means right fold. There are other meanings for う, but what I'm about to talk about is more important. Let me get into that. I've talked about あ, い, and う. 会う has 2 different meanings. 会う means to meet. This is a verb. 会う means to match. This too is a verb. Even Japanese adults make mistakes on typo errors, writing different kanji with same pronunciation but different meaning. 会う becomes 愛 when this based on language as たい meaning want behind, and 会いたい means want to meet. 愛 adding 行く meaning to go, and adding in between に meaning to as a particle. 会いに行く means I go to meet. Again, without the subject. I talked about yoi on the last lesson too. I should point out about iku. Iku is different from yoi in the fact that iku officially reads iku and yuku both. Iku is rather casual but formal also. Yuku is more formal, rarely used but more often than yoi. Yoi is almost never used. Yoi and yuku both are on the formal end. Iu means to say, with I meaning say, adding u becomes a verb. Iku, au, au, iu are all verbs. Only iku is ku added, rest u added. I will tell you at this moment that there are 9 different syllables added as a suffix to make verbs. No need to memorize, just keep in mind they exist. Iu is also similar to yoi and iku in that iu is also pronounced you. However, you is opposite in a way that yu is more casual and iu is more formal. so the Y consonant isn't always formal. Both pronunciation iu and uu are frequently used. High rate of pronunciation exceptions happening here because the sound of E and Y consonants are similar in pronunciation. Oy vey. As for the injections or feeling expression words, ooh is used when one expresses pain. Ooh is used as a reaction when one gets pointed out and didn't desire being pointed out. So, if you don't do your assignment and teacher points you out, you say, ooh. So, this is it for this lesson. Raise Japanese 101, Lesson 3. Ooh. Ciao.